Hello, my friends. I hope you are doing well. Do you like to garden, or do you know someone who likes to garden? If so, then this video is for you. I am going to do a review of a garden planner and tracking journal. I believe the best gardens come from those who take the time to plan out their gardens. And you can do that with this garden journal. I want to thank the Unikeep company for sending me this planner to do an honest review. Please stay tuned to the end of this video as I will be doing a giveaway of this planner. So now I'm going to open this to show you what you get. There are two styles you can choose from. There is the landscaping journal, which you see here, and there's also a greens journal. It comes in this plastic case, and there's a latch here on the side. So here is a brochure from the Unikeep company. Unikeep is a storage and organization company, and they have some information here on the other items that they offer. I see there are 3 D-rings here. Let me show you this up close. And looking at these D-rings here, there is plenty of space for more papers or to have thicker information to go in this binder. So we have a cover page here that says garden journal. So on this page, you would put individual plant information like the botanical name, the common name, the plant type, the soil, sowing and planting dates, treatments, sun exposure, water requirements, and here are some check boxes relating to pruning, protecting, who the plants are poisonous to, and what part of the plant is poisonous if applicable. So you get 14 front and back pages of the individual plant type info pages. Next is a page where you can plot your garden on this graph, and at the bottom there's a section for notes. This is interesting. I believe this is how people can get beautiful landscape gardens. So if the garden is looked at from an aerial view, you can see how the plants in the garden is beautifully landscaped and well put together. And you get 4 graph pages front and back like this. Next is a bloom and harvest sheet. Up here you can put the plant name on the chart, and then there are the months written across the top, and you can write in when the plant blooms and when the plant will harvest. And there's enough room for 6 plants on this sheet. And you get 6 pages like this. Now I want to say something about the paper. The paper feels relatively thick and it is textured. I don't know if you can see the texture when I put it up close there, but there's definitely a upgrade to the paper. This next page is a weather log where you can put in the date in this column, the temperature, humidity, rain, frost, snow, and observations. And you get 4 weather logs front and back pages. And then here is a garden diary, and you get 5 front and back pages of the garden diary. And here's a page for purchase records, and there's a section to put in the company name, website, email, contact, phone number, warranty period, and the products that you purchase, and notes on the products. And there's room to do that twice on one page. So you get 2 front and back of these types of pages. And here's a page called Garden Pests and Disease, and here you can write the type of plant, herb, floral, or vegetable. You just check one, the type of pest or disease, the method of treatment, did you use spray or powder, the date of treatment, did the treatment work, the name of the product used, and what would you do differently. And you get 6 of the garden and pest and disease pages. And here you get 17 clear pocketed pages. You get 10 single pocket pages, 5 2 pocket pages, and 2 4 pocket pages. And the pocket pages can be used to put seed packets in here. I feel that keeping up with where you purchased your gardening plants from and the seed packages are important. I remember one year my husband is like obsessed with our front lawn, and there was a patch where no grass was growing in that patch. So he decided to go to the store to get some grass seed to fill in that patch of grass where it wasn't growing. And what he didn't realize is that he bought a different type of grass seed. So when the grass started growing in, it looked different from the rest of the lawn. So I really believe in keeping good records for your garden so that all your plants can be consistent. And lastly, you get 4 tab dividers for your gardening binder. So that brings us to the end of this garden journal. If you would like to win this gardening journal, please simply leave a comment underneath this video stating that you would like to be entered in the giveaway. The giveaway will be open internationally, and I will place other terms and conditions in the description area underneath this video for the giveaway. And the date that the name will be drawn will also be included in the description area underneath this video. Please let me know if you actually have a garden yourself and if you enjoy gardening. Please don't forget to like this video. This is Tanya helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.